Hi there. What if you could start a business that's a worldwide business for less than $50 from your home, and you don't have to recruit your buddies and you don't have to sell anything? Would you do that? I'm Jim Nash, and I'm here to talk to you about what I have found and how I've been able to do just that. And today, if you're skeptical, if you're curious, maybe you're looking into something new that you haven't looked into before, then this video might just be for you, and I hope that you find some value in it. I'm making this video for just the average everyday person. You're gonna listen to me and you're gonna go, man, if that guy can do it, I can do it. And so that's who I'm making this video for today. And one thing I would like to ask you though is that there is nothing free in this world. So if you do find value in this video, you don't have to pay any monetary or anything like that. But what I'd like you to do is share it with somebody that you think would find value as well, so that we can help more people. That's all I'm asking. Of course, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. That helps me, of course, but we're not about helping me right now. We're about helping each other. So I would like to talk to you about the business that I've found that you might be looking into or you might be skeptical about, and that's the LiveGood business. And it's a business that I found that gives me all those benefits that I just talked about. And there are 3 simple steps, and I've taken some notes here, as I always do. Just want to go over those 3 simple steps on how you can get involved in this business and start either earning money or saving money, just depending on what level you're interested in getting in. So step number 1, very simple, join LiveGood. Do your research. You're watching this video, you're learning a little bit. I'll give you some more information at the end of the video on how you can do some research and learn more and see if this is right for you. But do the research. So joining LiveGood is pretty simple. It's less than $50. It's a $40 sign-up fee. And then it's $9.95 for administrative fee every month after that. Pretty simple. You do not have to buy any product. You don't have like a monthly auto ship or anything like that, which most MLMs have. This is affiliate marketing. We're not here to try and make you buy stuff so that we make money, right? Or that the company makes money, I should say. Again, total $49.95 to start. There's no inventory that you have to buy because you don't have to sell anything if you don't want to. So you don't have to have anything in your house. You don't have to expect to have any inventory that you have to purchase or anything like that. And then of course, the big benefit is if you do choose, and most of us are in this business because we are involved in wellness and health, and we like to help other people be healthy. So you will have access to best prices. We get group pricing because we are in a large group of affiliates, and therefore we basically pay wholesale prices, and you're not going to pay those big prices that most companies try to make you pay. I think of this as like a Costco or a Walmart or maybe an Amazon, right? They get groups of people, and the more people you get into this group, the better pricing we get. And that's the way it is right now. We're going on 2 million people that are in LiveGood getting the best prices that they can. Number 2, share the business. Now hold on, don't leave just yet, right? I said you don't have to talk to your friends and your family and do all that kind of stuff, and I'm holding true to that. So please share this business, right? But the way we do that is you can do it online like I'm doing it. Maybe you want to do it in another way, maybe on Facebook or something like that, or maybe you want to do it through emails or something like that. If that's something that you're interested in, you can obviously do that. But if it's not, you don't have to. You can just get the benefits of those discounted prices. But let's say that you've decided you want to make a few extra bucks, or possibly you want to make a career out of this and quit your job or something like that. That is possible with this business. So let me share a few ways here that I've taken down. First of all, everyone gets a referral link. So when you pay that $49.95 or the $40 plus the $9.95, right, for your first month, basically you will get a website with a link on it. Anytime someone is interested, you're just talking about it at the store and someone says, oh, I'd like to learn more about that. You can give them the link and they will go into the link and they can watch a video, they can look at the products, You don't have to sell them on anything. Just let the link do the selling. Let the products sell themselves. It's just like going on Amazon and saying, I'm looking for paper clips. It shows you 10 different types of paper clips. You choose the one you want. Same with LiveGood. I want a shake. Yep, here's the different shakes that we have. I'd like something for my immune system. Here's the things that we have for immune systems. But you don't have to sit there and try to sell that, and you don't have to worry about it. If they buy something, poof, you get a little money in your bank account. That's a good thing. The second thing about sharing is you may have other people that just want to learn how to stay healthy, and they're interested on saving health and saving on healthcare products. That's fine. But you may have people that say, you know what, that's kind of interesting. How did you get involved in that? I'd like to make some money, right? Same thing. You give them the video. Just say, hey, here's this link to this video. Take a look at it. If you're interested, great. If you're not, great. You don't have to worry about trying to pressure people into joining this business. They'll join through your business or your link, and you'll earn commissions on that, right? So $40, you'll get maybe, I think you get $10 of that $40, and then every month you get a little commission off of that little $10 that someone pays each month. So those are the things that you're doing, but you are not selling, right? You're not selling, and the memberships and the system just bring people in and keep them in because we have the low prices and we don't do this whole pressure thing, right? So number 3 step, earn, right? Join, share, earn. Pretty simple. Let me share with you 4 different ways that you can earn in this business. I'm going to go over in a future video down the road. I'm sure we'll have a chance to talk about how these are really, how they really work, and go into them a little bit on the intricacies of the commissions. But these are just an overview. So the number 1 way that you can earn money is the Fast Start, the weekly Fast Start bonus. And that is what I just explained to you. Someone signs up, they pay $40 to the company gives you 10, right? You brought them in, you deserve a bonus. Pretty simple. It gets paid every Thursday. And once again, they sign up through your link. It's not you trying to sell or pressure people into that. Number 2 is the matrix spillover. I always kind of like this one because I've never seen it before, and I think it's really important. The matrix spillover is anytime the company gets a new recruit through their advertisements, or maybe someone that recruited you and got you in, maybe they get people, and the company places these people into your business, right? And it fills up. So if you think about traditional MLMs, basically you have people building this pyramid, right? And they fill up their pyramid, and the person at the top makes a whole bunch of money, and all the people down at the bottom are struggling, trying to figure out how to get to the top. With LiveGood, this matrix spillover, basically what happens is anytime someone is sponsoring someone, or the company brings someone in through their advertising, they will start placing these people into your group. And you, as a person that is paying that $10 a month, should get a bonus. And the way this works is it will fill up your group, and as you fill up your group, you will start earning money. Even if you never do a single thing, you will have the opportunity to earn up to $2,000 a month. Now, I'm going to be very, very frank with you. This is a very, very slow process. So don't think you're going to get in and just do nothing and make money. This is a process that's going to take quite a bit of time. But if you stick in and you're just getting your products every month, or you're buying something here and there or whatever, but you're paying that $10 a month, guess what? Over time, you're going to get people placed under you into your group, and you're going to start seeing these bonuses. Not a bad deal. So that's the matrix spillover. Matching bonuses. So if you help people succeed, so let's say you're like me and you decide that you would like to recruit people and help them succeed, And so basically what that does is if they start succeeding because let's say I help you and you start succeeding and you're earning $1,000 a month. Great for you. Now, I will get a bonus from the company. They don't take it out of your 1,000. I might get 10 or maybe 100 or something like that. And that way you make money, I make money. You could make more money than me. Hopefully you do, right? And that's the process that I'm talking to you about with the matrix spillover and also these bonuses, is that not just the guy at the top of this pyramid like in an MLM makes money, but everybody is making money. What's another way here? The retail commissions is the last one, right? So again, you may choose to do retail sales. It's not something you have to do, but let's say you do that. But anytime someone purchases products for retail, they don't want to pay that $10 a month, they just want to buy something when they want to buy it. You get a commission, right? As you should. You brought that person in, you showed them the video, they decided to buy something, you get the commission. So those are the 4 ways to earn. Again, join, share, and earn some money. Those are the simple ways of becoming a LiveGood affiliate. And it is pretty simple, but this is the basics, and I suggest that you start doing a little more research by looking at the link that I have provided for you. So you can get that link either in the description of this video, it's in the description of my YouTube channel as well. It's a 5-minute video, but that link will give you a good basis to decide, hey, I want to look further. And if you do that, please sign up. You can do a pre-sign, which is totally free. You don't have to pay the $40. That will give you the opportunity to start looking at some things and really deciding if this is an opportunity for you. And I'm sure that you're going to find that it is. If you found value in this, like I said, please share this with someone. That's the price I'm asking you to pay for the value that you've gotten out of this video. If you didn't find value, that's great as well. I'm glad that you stuck it through all the way to the end. But this is a great opportunity that I found. It's something that I find has been very useful for me, and it's been a company that is very transparent, and they do what they say they're going to do. So I hope this is something that you can use to decide if you want to go further. I will be more than happy to answer questions for you. The video will answer questions. I have friends that I can find answers if I don't know the answer, and we're going to get you to be as successful as you would like to be. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.